take the moon for granted, a quiet gray rock that's been our companion for billions of years. But what if the night sky was occupied by something more? Today, we are swapping our satellite for every planet in the solar system, from the tiny heart of Mercury to the crushing gravity of Jupiter. It looks beautiful, but it's actually a death sentence. Mercury. At the moon's distance, it looks like a supermoon on steroids. Because it has no atmosphere to scatter light, the craters like Caloris Basin would be visible to the naked eye. It's small, but its massive iron core would start to tug on Earth's rotation. At night, without an atmosphere, it looks terrifyingly sharp. It's 40% larger than the moon, casting shadows deep enough to hide a city. Venus, our evil twin. Venus is almost the size of Earth. It's so reflective that night would effectively vanish. It would be 15,000 times brighter than a full moon. That it looks like a second, smaller sun hanging in the midday sky. Mars, the ultimate blood moon. It's twice the size of our moon. From your backyard, you could track the Curiosity rover's path across the Valles Marineris. It's the most stable of the swaps, but the tidal forces would still double, causing massive flooding in every coastal city. Neptune. This is where the beauty becomes terrifying. A giant blue ghost 4 times the width of Earth. At this distance, we would be inside Neptune's magnetic field. The sky would be filled with intense auroras, but the radiation would eventually begin to strip away our ozone layer. Uranus, Neptune's twin, but with a haunting pale glow. Because Uranus is tilted 98 degrees, we would be staring directly at one of its poles. It looks calm, but it's a giant ball of ice and gas that would dwarf our entire world. Earth is now no longer a planet. We are just a new moon of an ice giant. Saturn, the masterpiece. The rings would span nearly the entire sky. The rings are the stars of the show, slicing through the blue sky like cosmic highways of ice. This is the most beautiful view in the universe. Jupiter, the final boss. Jupiter is 11 times wider than Earth. You wouldn't see a planet in the sky. The sky is Jupiter. Tidal forces would crack Earth's crust like an eggshell, triggering volcanic eruptions everywhere. This isn't a view, it's a planetary collision in slow motion. If you love these simulations, subscribe to Discovery 3D. Check out my other video,